Hey everyone, this is just a quick video I'm making to go over the announcements for week 2. So if you've already gone over the announcements, then you can go ahead and skip this. You don't have to watch this, but if you'd prefer to listen to the announcements, then go ahead and keep on listening. This is for week 2, and so let's go ahead and get started. So week 2 is the beginning of Unit 2, Career Management. This unit includes weeks 2, 3, and 4. And if you're not currently in the job market, please don't panic. This unit is for everyone. Learning how to find a job and writing a resume are essential professional skills, whether you intend to do it this month, in 3 years, or even if you plan to just help other family members and friends. This week, I'd encourage you to think about the ways that these career management skills will help you with your work as well as in other areas of your life. There's two application activities in week 2, the resume um, and the certificate or degree plan. So for the resume project is broken up into two parts to help us focus on a few things at a time. This week we're working on part 1. And this is suggestions for common student struggles with part 1. Highlight specific skills or achievements in your summary. Be sure to include a headline. Be sure to use the job posting you found in week 1 to build this resume. View your writing practice feedback and the feedback you get from this week's resume. So as far as the resume goes, this is a great opportunity to learn how to effectively use a resume to get an interview. Please note that the resume you turn in next week is worth more points because it's one of our primary writing assignments for this course. And then the certificate or degree plan application activity is going to help you choose a certificate for your pathway future. The math review, this week the math assignments are review from last semester. Here are some tips to make this review more productive. Take the review quizzes early in the week. Take the quizzes as many times as needed this week and until the end of the semester. And if it adds a late penalty to your grade, I'll adjust that in a week or so after you take it. Spend adequate time on this review. Concepts in this course will build on what you learned last semester. Start next week's math review early. Next week's concepts are even more difficult. And then if you ever find yourself struggling with math concepts, please use these resources in this order. The first resource is the links that are provided to you when you get an incorrect answer on a quiz. And then the second one is to use the Khan Academy. And the third resource is to get a tutor. And on our announcements page, there's a link to that, so you can get a tutor and see how to do that. Please be sure to view the devotional before the gathering this week. It will be released on Tuesday at 4:00 p.m. Mountain Time, and so on or soon after that date and time, please visit the Worldwide Devotionals page to view that. Grading and feedback. Be sure to view your grades and feedback from last week, everybody. The first step to getting your feedback is to click the Grades tab in our course. The second step will be to click on the assignment name or title on that list of assignments. And then the third step is you can view the feedback on the right-hand side of that page. There's going to be a comment from Sister Mills, and you can also add a comment of your own that Sister Mills will also see back. As we wrap up for week 2, I just wanted to share this awesome quote with you guys. It says, "Let us realize that the privilege to work is a gift, that the power to work is a blessing, and that love of work is success." And that's by David O. McKay. Have a super week, everyone. Thank you so much for your hard work. I'm blessed to be a part of your journey here, and I'm so inspired by your fortitude and courage. Take heart and keep onward.